Andrew with Alchemic Power. Send over the pictures. I'm on my way.
Welcome back to the channel, Alchemic Power. We have an emergency service call on this video. I assembled on site with tools and material. First, we found the damaged outlet. Then we found and identified the breaker feeding this outlet. And would you look at that? The breaker had tripped. Surprise, surprise. We started taking the outlet apart and tested for power as we were removing it, just to double check that we had the right breaker turned off. With the wire straightened, we installed the new outlet and taped around the sides. In a commercial environment like this, that tape keeps the hot wires from arcing to the metal box. Could this have been the cause? Then it was time to turn the breaker back on and check for power with a meter.
2, 199. 15.
Next, we installed a new plug end. Plugged it in and tested the glass washer. And look at that, it's back up and running. Before wrapping up, we wanted to check what each wire phase was pulling. We used a clamp-on ammeter and confirmed that both wires were drawing equal amount of current. Service call complete. Panel cover back on. Another successful repair in the books. So what caused this? The outlet failed internally and started arcing. That arcing created heat, and the heat is what melted the outlet and the plug end. If you've lasted this long in the video, we'd really appreciate a subscribe. We release a new video every Friday, so I hope to see you here next Friday. Thanks for watching, everyone.